Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to beat challenging levels in Homescapes. Well, always know what your goal is before starting the level. Take a moment to survey the board and plan your moves accordingly. Matching tiles at the bottom creates cascades, potentially clearing more tiles. Match 4 or more tiles to create more power-ups, like rockets or bombs. Combining power-ups creates a powerful effects. Prioritize moves that directly contribute to completing your objectives. Rockets clear whole rows or columns, so use them strategically. If there are blockers, prioritize clearing them. Don't rush. Sometimes it's better to wait for a better move than to make a quick one. If you have boosters, use them when they'll have the most impact. Sometimes a certain pattern of tiles can be more effective than random matches. Events or special challenges may have different rules. Adapt your strategy. Different colored tiles have different effects in combination and clearing. Match rainbow balls with tiles of any color to clear a large number at once. Always be aware of how many moves you have left. If you're stuck, taking a short break can sometimes help you see the board differently. Daily rewards often include helpful items. Use them strategically. Rushing can lead to mistakes, so stay calm and focused. Regular play improves your skills and understanding of the game mechanics. Online communities often share tips and tricks for specific levels. Video tutorials can provide visual insights into level solution. Try different combination or power-ups to see what works best for you. And swap always you to exchange two tiles, useful for creating special tiles. And that's how to beat challenging levels in Homescapes. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.